The ÖKOMix washing machine delivers deeper cleaning and softer fabrics, load after load. With AEG ÖKOMix, softener reaches every single fiber, leaving them soft, nourished, and protected. The patented ÖKOMix technology works differently. By first pre-mixing the detergent with water and then the softener before spraying them into the drum, the detergent is activated to reach its full potential and the softener is diffused into every fiber. Combined with the durable ÖKO inverter motor, the ÖKOMix washing machine has shorter cycle times at even the lowest temperatures and with the least energy consumption. The direct spray soaks the entire load evenly with a continuous shower right into the heart of the wash. The detergent and softener are able to reach more of the fabric, delivering an even wash and an efficient rinse. The ÖKOMix has been independently awarded the Woolmark Green certification for gentle and energy-efficient washing of woolen garments, including hand-wash-only wool. The Woolmark Green endorsement has been awarded by the world's leading independent authority on wool care. The OptiSense sensors adjust the water, energy and cycle time to the amount of laundry in the drum, protecting fabrics and reducing wear while saving both time and energy. AEG ÖKOMix washing machines are available with a selection of options and accessories. With the AEG stacking kit, you can safely install a tumble dryer on top of your ÖKOMix without any fixing to create extra space in your laundry room. The high-quality AEG descaler removes and prevents limescale buildup and bad odors in your washing machine. For deeper fiber cleaning and softer results, the AEG ÖKOMix.
The art of essence. LG Signature.
For perfect washing results, you have to dose very precisely, or never again. IDOS is the intelligent automatic dosing system found in Bosch washing machines and works as follows. Just pour in up to 1.3 liters of liquid detergent once, and IDOS dispenses precisely the right amount of detergent for many loads of laundry. The second compartment can hold half a litre of fabric softener for more challenging loads. Simply select the automatic program and IDOS takes care of the rest. During the first wash cycle, sensors detect how much and what kind of textiles are loaded in order to adjust the amount of water. Additional sensors screen the water as it drains off, determining how dirty the laundry is. This information ensures that IDOS constantly dispenses the right amount of water or detergent and adjusts temperature settings or drum movements accordingly. This is good news for you, your laundry, and the environment. IDOS is kinder to your clothes and reduces detergent use by up to 30% per wash cycle and saves up to 7,062 litres of water a year. This is IDOS by Bosch, the intelligent automatic dosing system. Fill up once and it doses automatically, wash after wash.
Introducing the AEG 8000 series washing machines. Protecting the fibers of your clothes. Wash after wash. In traditional washing machines, detergents and softeners are not fully diffused before reaching the clothes. AEG's patented ÖKOMix technology is unique. Water is first pre-mixed with detergent and then with softener before it enters the drum, so that it's fully dissolved and activated. The dissolved mixture is evenly distributed, reaching, cleaning and protecting every thread, stitch and fiber. The results look fantastic. The ÖKO program is ideal for daily loads of up to 5 kilograms, washing in under an hour without compromising performance or sustainability. Using the plus steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG stacking kit creates extra space in the laundry room, no fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Powerfully gentle, for deeper fiber cleaning and softer results, the AEG 8000 series washing machines.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.